Good evening. My name is Jorge Sebastián Martínez Gutiérrez, and I will announce 5 different places in my city, Valledupar, Cesar. Nausimaque, Valledupar, Cesar. The Arhuaca Indigenous Community, located in Cesar near the Sierra Nevada, is a wonderful exotic place full of energy due to the combination of culture and nature. It is a place of peace to visit with friends and family, usually in the day because it is very cool. We will find houses and halves with mine walls and mystical foods of the indigenous culture, el Banero Hurtado. Um, One of the best places to enjoy in Valledupar. We can bake in the road fishing waters of the Guatapuri River, enjoy a cool beer, live um, a vallenata party, or enjoy a delicious Creole chicken sancocho. It is perfect to you with the family any weekday, and you can also visit the monument to Diomedes Diaz. Valledupar has a warm climate. You should wear comfortable clothes to bake in the rivers. Viewpoint of the Santoximo. We can appreciate a beautiful view, exercise our legs since it is a mountain, a good place to appreciate nature and you work walks when friends. We should wear sports clothes and plenty of water to hydrate the body. Plaza Alfonso López de Valledupar is an important place in Valledupar where the most important festivities of the region take place. Military and cultural ceremonies are celebrated, and the holiday season we can enjoy cultural events and typical food of the region wear comfortable clothes to get to know to good places. Mayales Plaza Comercial. This mall is perfect to spend time with. Can you shopping in ice cream, you to the movies, enjoy the arcades with the family, and I go place to eat. Thank you.